Hello everyone, how to totes back with another app review video, and in this video I am going to show you an app. It's called Dana Indonesia Digital Wallet. So this is the Indonesian banking app. So this is really huge amount of people use this app. Okay, so you can download this app from Google Play Store and App Store. In both store in this app is available. So I can see the size of the app, 57 megabyte, and the rating of the app 3.9 out of 5, and 4 million plus people already write something or give the review, and 100 million plus people already downloaded this app or uses this app. So really many people use this app. Okay, so there is some feature, like there is some screenshot, like how would you like to top up dana balance. So there are some balance and say bank cards, and enjoy seamless payment, and you look for simpler and easier transactions. So this is really easy to use, and access all your bank cards and voucher, and scan all queries, and use split bill non-fuzzy way for all the pay, and more secure. So this is really amazing app. If you have the bank account, then you can use this app. If you go and about this app, then you can see a digital wallet for all cashless and card, there are something transaction free dana balance to have, and there are some feature, and we'll see when this app released. The app released 2019, so only 3 years 1 million plus people already, 100 million plus people already uses this app. And if you want to check the ratings and reviews about this app, and then here you'll get the option, some positive reviews like 5-star review. And the good thing is that if you face any problem, then you should let them know, they will fix it. They replied all the comment about this app, and there are some negative reviews also. So okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.